Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar, the last dinner party. Alright, we have a song called Knocking at the Sky. I think it's the first time here with the dinner party being here on Gruvgear Guitar. So yes, about time. I heard and listened to them before. So now let's focus on this one. Without any capo, let's go into the chords, 6 of them. We're gonna start with the verse chords. They're the A minor, F, G, and E. So A minor first, open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord will be the F, which is a bar chord. So you place an A string like this, crossing all strings on the first fret, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. We have G next. That will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And then we have the E. Open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Then we're gonna use the D and C as well for the pre-chorus and chorus. So D goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. And finally the C. Third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Okay, so we're gonna use a strumming pattern that is about 8 downs, and we're gonna try to focus on 2 of these downs. So if you grab the first chord, A minor, we want to separate the bass strings from the higher strings. Alright, so we're gonna play mostly on the bass strings, but on the 4th down and the 7th down, you wanna really go down and hit that higher string. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then on the 4th, you go down, and then 5, 6 on the bass, and then on the 7th, you go down a well, and then play the last 8 on the bass. So if you can do it like that, it's great. Otherwise, just focus on 8 downs per chord, and that will be 1 strumming around. So something like that, okay? So we're gonna start with the first verse. We have 2 halves. So the first 3 round is A minor 1, F1, G1, and E1. That's the first 3 rounds. The 4th and final round will be A minor 1, F1, G1, and back to A minor, just 1 down and the pause. And that pause builds up for the pre-chorus that comes right after. So we're gonna play round number 3 and round number 4, so you get 1 of each. It goes like this. Alright, now into the pre-chorus and actually the chorus as well. They were played exactly in the same way, so it starts about 38 seconds in. So I would give my eyes away. That's where on the lyrics. You're gonna play D1, C1, F1, and G1. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds in the pre-chorus, and then comes the chorus, or maybe it's the post-chorus, and this is the chorus. I'm not sure how it's divided, but still 2 different things going on there. At 1 and 11 seconds in, you're gonna play exactly the same. It starts with singing la 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 la. That is where on the lyrics, you're gonna play exactly the same for another 2 rounds. So a total of 6 full rounds of that D, C, F, and G. Let's do a couple together. Alright guys, so that is the first round, and guess what? The second round is just repetition, guys. No need to change anything, you just go for the second round, and that is how it ends, guys. Knocking at the Sky. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, let me know. Give me a comment, give me a like on this one if you liked the tutorial, and be back for next upload. Till then guys, play tuned.